Welcome to Hamon-Ramon! Ikaw po sinang parada ko dyan na hapon for the 2025 Fiesta. Yan po. Ayan. Happy Fiesta! Ano oras ko ba po?
Fiesta, alauna po.
Alauna ba? Sige.
Long life, now we feeling it again. Better hold tight, we on this ride that never ends. Going all night, can you feel this energy? This is where we're meant to be.
We're going to Centro. Hi vlog! Hello to my guys! This is Enos vlog. Of Hamon-Ramon. Come to MC TikTok. Halina po kayo, magti-TikTok na tayo.
Wow, garo artista.
Hindi ba nasa mo?
Elementary, none other than Dr. Jelly Santiago. He was my classmate in the Malabak Central when we were in the elementary level. Now I will now start my very nice and very exciting.
Fourth placer po si Sir Robert Borja of San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Fourth placer po si Joseph Mark Capin of Calabanga. Dominic Julio of Tabua, Camarines Sur. Third placer si Chanel Sordan ng Bula, Camarines Sur. Second placer naman si Jan Balandra ng Nabua, Camarines Sur. At ang grand winner, Enos Capayas of Naga City. Si Brad Wilmar, Ana Barameda, nag-intermission.
Erino Alcala, and recognition for her invaluable contribution as MC at TikTok Dance Challenge, Kids Duo, and Amateur Singing Contest during Barangay Fiesta 2025. Given this, 25th day of January 2025, at Barangay Hamon-Ramon, Camarines Sur, signed by our Polo Barangay Laura G. Monica.
Thank you po.